Hi everyone and welcome back to Hello Word. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a simple yet incredibly useful word, before. It's an A2 level adverb that means earlier than now. This word pops up in conversations all the time, so let's make sure you know how to use it confidently. Let's start with the definition. Before refers to something happening earlier in time compared to now or another point in time. For example, if I say, I had breakfast before coming here, it means my breakfast happened earlier than my arrival here. It's a small word, but it's packed with meaning. Now let's talk synonyms. Words like prior to, earlier than, and ahead of can often be used in place of before. For instance, I finished my work prior to going to the meeting, or she arrived ahead of schedule. Notice how the meaning stays consistent, even if the wording changes. On the flip side, let's explore some antonyms. Words like after, later, and following are direct contrast to before. If I say, I'll call you after dinner, it's the opposite of I'll call you before dinner. These antonyms help you express when something happens at a later time. How about some everyday examples? Imagine you're talking to a friend. You could say, let's grab coffee before the movie starts. Or, I've seen this movie before, but I'd watch it again. In these cases, before is helping us understand when something happens in relation to another event. Here are some more sentence examples for practice. Please finish your homework before going outside. I've never been here before. It's such a nice place. He called me just before the meeting started. These show how natural and flexible the word before can be in conversation. That wraps up today's discussion about before. Remember, it's a small but mighty word that's perfect for expressing time in a clear and simple way. Thanks so much for tuning in today. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word and leave us a review. Your support helps more learners find the show. And here's a fun challenge for you. Create your own sentence using before and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, I'm Alex, and this is Hello Word. Take care.